Unseen, unstoppable, and deadly from above, these drones strike with precision that can change the outcome of any battle. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 most powerful combat drones in the world. Number 10. Bayraktar TB2. Originating from Turkey, the Bayraktar TB2 is a tactical armed UAV designed for precision strikes and surveillance missions. It is highly valued for its affordability, reliability, and effectiveness in combat situations. The drone can carry a payload of around 150 kilograms, including smart bombs and guided missiles, and reaches a maximum speed of approximately 220 kilometers per hour. With an endurance of up to 27 hours, over 300 units have been built, each costing about $5 million. The TB2 features modern electro-optical and infrared sensors, satellite communication, and autonomous flight capabilities. Its combat effectiveness has been proven in conflicts such as Ukraine, Syria, and Libya, where it has successfully executed precise strikes while minimizing risks to personnel. Number 9. Elbit Hermes 900, Israel. Developed in Israel, the Elbit Hermes 900 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV designed for both surveillance and armed operations. Known for its versatility, it can carry a payload of up to 300 kilograms, including precision-guided missiles and sensors for intelligence gathering. The drone has a maximum speed of 230 kilometers per hour and an endurance of approximately 36 hours, making it suitable for long missions. Over 50 units have been built, each costing around $10 million. Its technology includes advanced electro-optical or infrared sensors, satellite communication, and autonomous flight capabilities. The Hermes 900 has demonstrated strong combat effectiveness, providing real-time battlefield intelligence and precision strikes, and has been used in Israel's operational theaters for monitoring and defense missions. Number 8. IAI Heron TP. Originating from Israel, the IAI Heron TP is a strategic, long-endurance UAV designed for reconnaissance and strike missions. It is one of Israel's most capable drones, able to carry a payload of approximately 1,000 kilograms, including precision-guided bombs and missiles. The drone reaches a maximum speed of around 220 kilometers per hour and can remain airborne for up to 36 hours, enabling extended surveillance and strike operations. Over 20 units have been produced, with an estimated unit cost of $20 million. Equipped with advanced radar, electro-optical infrared sensors, and satellite communication systems, the Heron TP provides exceptional situational awareness. Its combat effectiveness has been proven in intelligence gathering and precision strikes, making it a key asset in modern aerial operations. Number 7. TAI Anka-S. Developed in Turkey, the TAI Anka-S is a medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV designed for surveillance and armed operations. It can carry a payload of up to 350 kilograms, including guided missiles and precision bombs. The drone reaches a maximum speed of 220 kilometers per hour and has an endurance of approximately 30 hours, enabling long missions over contested areas. Over 60 units have been produced, with a unit cost of around $5 to $6 million. Equipped with advanced electro-optical infrared sensors, satellite communication, and autonomous flight systems, the Anka-S has proven combat effectiveness, participating in operations in Syria and Libya, providing real-time intelligence and executing precision strikes against strategic targets. Number 6. Loong II. The Loong II, developed in China, is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, male, armed UAV designed for both reconnaissance and strike missions. It can carry a payload of around 480 kilograms, including guided missiles and bombs, and reaches a maximum speed of 370 kilometers per hour. With an endurance of approximately 20 to 32 hours, it is capable of long-range missions over hostile territories. Over 200 units have been built, each costing roughly $5 million. Equipped with advanced electro-optical/infrared sensors, radar systems, and satellite communication links, the Loong II provides strong situational awareness and targeting capabilities. Its combat effectiveness has been demonstrated in conflicts in Libya, Syria, and Ukraine, where it has successfully executed precision strikes and surveillance operations. Number 5. MQ-9B SkyGuardian. Developed in the United States by General Atomics, the MQ-9B SkyGuardian is an advanced long-endurance UAV designed for surveillance and precision strike missions. It can carry a payload of up to 1,700 kilograms, including guided missiles and bombs, and reaches a maximum speed of 300 kilometers per hour. With an endurance of over 40 hours, it is capable of extended operations over vast areas. A limited number of units have been produced so far, with an estimated unit cost of around $20 to $25 million. The drone features cutting-edge technology, including advanced electro-optical and infrared sensors, maritime and ground radar, satellite communication, and autonomous flight systems. While relatively new with limited combat deployment compared to the MQ-9 Reaper, it has been tested in NATO exercises and is set for expanded operational roles worldwide. Number 4. CH-5 Rainbow. Developed in China, the CH-5 Rainbow is a heavy-armed UAV designed for long-endurance strike and reconnaissance missions. It can carry a payload of up to 1,000 kilograms, including precision-guided missiles and bombs, and reaches a maximum speed of 370 kilometers per hour. With an endurance of approximately 60 hours, it is capable of extended surveillance and strike operations over large areas. Over 50 units have been produced, each costing around $6 million. Equipped with advanced electro-optical/infrared sensors, radar systems, and satellite communications, the CH-5 provides excellent situational awareness and targeting precision. Its combat effectiveness has been demonstrated in conflicts such as Libya and Pakistan trials, where it executed precision strikes and reconnaissance missions efficiently. Number 3. S-70 Okhotnik-B. Developed in Russia, the S-70 Okhotnik-B is a stealth-heavy combat UAV designed for next-generation strike missions. Featuring a flying wing design, it can carry a payload of approximately 2,000 kilograms, including guided bombs and air-to-ground missiles. The drone reaches a maximum speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour and has an endurance of around 6 hours, optimized for high-intensity operations. Its advanced technology includes stealth shaping, EASA radar, autonomous flight systems, and AI-assisted targeting, making it capable of operating alongside manned fighters like the Su-57. While still in limited operational deployment, the Okhotnik-B has undergone extensive testing and joint exercises, preparing it for future combat scenarios. Number 2. Bayraktar Akıncı. Developed in Turkey, the Bayraktar Akıncı is a high-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed for heavy strike and reconnaissance missions. It can carry a payload of up to 1,350 kilograms, including precision-guided missiles, smart bombs, and air-to-air munitions. The drone reaches a maximum speed of 350 kilometers per hour and has an endurance of around 24 to 30 hours, allowing extended operations over hostile areas. Over 50 units have been produced, each costing approximately $5 to $6 million. Equipped with AESA radar, advanced electro-optical infrared sensors, satellite communications, and AI-assisted targeting, the Akıncı delivers strong situational awareness and strike capabilities. It has seen combat in Ukraine and Syria, proving its effectiveness in precision strikes and intelligence missions. Number 1. MQ-9 Reaper. Developed in the United States by General Atomics, the MQ-9 Reaper is a long-endurance, high-altitude, unmanned combat aerial vehicle and the world's most powerful operational drone. It can carry a payload of up to 1,700 kilograms, including a variety of guided missiles, bombs, and smart munitions. The drone reaches a maximum speed of 482 kilometers per hour and has an endurance of approximately 27 hours, enabling prolonged surveillance and strike missions. Over 200 units have been built, each costing around $16 million. Equipped with advanced electro-optical infrared sensors, radar, satellite communications, and autonomous flight systems, the MQ-9 provides unmatched situational awareness and precision targeting. It has seen extensive combat use in Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, and other regions, proving its effectiveness in intelligence, surveillance, and precise strike operations worldwide. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the top 10 most powerful combat drones, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing military tech videos. Which drone surprised you the most? Let us know below and stay tuned for more high-tech battlefield insights.